Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making creamy strawberry basil vinaigrette. This is a super easy blender dressing. It's lightly sweet. It's got a nice flavor from the basil and a creamy texture because making it in the blender whips everything up so beautifully. This is truly a 5-minute dressing, so grab your blender and let's do this. Got your blender ready? Awesome. So first we're gonna add a cup of stemmed strawberries and then 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, then add 1/3 cup of sunflower oil. Normally I like to use olive oil when I'm making a vinaigrette, but olive oil in a blender, especially a high-speed blender, can give you kind of a bitter flavor, and I don't want that with this dressing. I want this dressing's light sweetness to shine through. Next, add 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves, and you want that to be a loosely packed 1/4 cup. Then add a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend until smooth and you are ready to serve. I love this over a salad with sliced fresh strawberries too, to kind of bring out that strawberry flavor even more, but really this is great over any salad where a sweet dressing would do the trick. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this creamy strawberry basil vinaigrette. If you have any questions that I didn't address in the video, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!